All right, let's take a look and see how our developers campaign did. Today is March 1st, so the campaign itself ran for 2 days and then it stopped. We gave it a $10 budget. This was a campaign total budget. Let's take a look at the settings real quick. Go into settings. These are the campaign level settings. Developers, drive conversions, website traffic was the goal. This is the campaign total amount. See how we can't change it to daily once it's set to campaign total. So that was what I was saying earlier. The end date, if we wanted to, we could increase this to say $20 and then change the end date to sometime in the future. For the networks, we were just targeting YouTube videos, which means this was an in-stream ad, and we were maximizing conversions for the bid strategy. We also set frequency capping to 1 impression per day for this campaign. Okay, now let's take a look and see what the results are for this particular ad. We had 774 impressions. That means our ad just showed 774 times in stream. We had 100 views. So a view is when somebody chooses to watch our video longer than 30 seconds, or they interact with it before the 30 seconds, or if our video's duration is lower or less than 30 seconds, the viewer either interacted with or watched the video all the way through. A view rate, so about 13% view rate, that's not very good. 13% of the people that saw the ad actually chose to view it. Average cost per view was 10 cents. Remember, I wasn't paying on a per view basis. That's calculated by looking at the cost, which was $10, divided by the views, which was 100. So, that's a simple calculation there. The cost was $10 because that's what I set my budget to. And only 4% of people actually chose to watch the video 100% of the way through. Good news is I did have one conversion. A conversion, in my case, is somebody going to my website, clicking the Buy at Amazon button, and then being taken to my Amazon listing. Okay, so that's a high-level overview of the metrics and what they mean. Let's quickly take a look at the Campaigns tab. 8 people actually chose to click my link, or they clicked my ad, basically. We can segment this by click type to see what elements they were clicking on, and it turns out the website link, the URL, 8 people clicked that for a click-through rate of 1.03%. And there were 237 engagements. That's under the interactions column here. So these are people that basically interact with my video ad in some way. It's pretty ambiguous in my opinion, but that's pretty much it. That was the results of our developers campaign that we shot on an iPhone without a lot of effort, didn't take any fancy equipment. So if you enjoyed this short crash course on YouTube ads and you really do want to take it to the next level, please do take my complete YouTube ads course here on Course Node. If you're interested in it, then I really dive deep. I take you by the hand. We literally walk through step by step, setting up a YouTube channel, setting up conversion tracking, many different ways. We talk about all the different ad formats. We talk about how to actually produce videos, which is a huge sticking point for a lot of people. All the different types of video ads you could make, and then we actually do live case studies. So you're watching me launch campaigns of different campaign types over the course of 14 days or so. And what you gain from that is instant experience. It's not all roses and money bags with YouTube ads. You really have to try it, see what works, and then iterate. It's never as seamless as you think, and this is a constantly evolving area. So again, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I hope you did get a lot out of it.